రజతోత్సవ ఉత్సవానికి ఎస్పెషలీ డాక్టర్ గారి ఇద్దరిని కూడా ఐ ఫీల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రౌడ్ మూమెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐ ఫీల్ నిజంగా నాకు చాలా కృతజ్ఞతాపూర్వకంగా కూడా నేను మీ ఇద్దరికి కూడా నమస్కరిస్తూ నాకు ఈ అవకాశం దొరికినందుకు నాట్ జస్ట్ టు అసోసియేట్ విత్ యూ బట్ టు అసోసియేట్ విత్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లైఫ్ త్రూ యూ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ ఫర్ వాట్ మై జర్నీ విత్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ త్రూ అవుట్ ఫర్ సో మెనీ ఇయర్స్. అండ్ ఈరోజు నాకు మేడం గారిని డాక్టర్ కైసర్ జమీల్ ఎంఎస్సి పిహెచ్డి, ఫెమ్సీ, ఎఫ్జెడ్ఎస్ఐ, FIAPCD, FNESA, FISBT, FWAMS ఇన్ని అలంకారాలు కలిగిన మేడంని ఈరోజు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి ఈ 25th యానివర్సరీలో నాకు ఒక అవకాశం దొరకడం నేను ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ అబౌట్ మై సెల్ఫ్. మొదటగా నేను కవిత చదివినప్పుడు అసలు మొదటి ఆ టోన్కి మంత్రముగ్ధురాలు అవ్వడం అందరికీ, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ అది సహజమే, ప్రతిసారి మనం తనని వింటాము. కాకపోతే స్త్రీగా పుట్టినందుకు ఎంత గర్వపడేట్టు చేశారు తన కవిత ద్వారా అన్నది మీ అందరికీ, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్త్రీలకు అందరికీ కూడా అవగతం అయి ఉంటుంది. ఐ ఆల్సో ఫెల్ట్ ప్రౌడ్ దట్ ఐ సో గ్రేట్ హ్యావింగ్ బీన్ బోర్న్ యాజ్ ఎ ఉమన్ త్రూ హిస్ poem and recitation. Brief biodata of Dr. Kaisar Jameel. Dr. Kaisar Jameel's distinguished career is marked by significant achievements and contributions to the fields of genetics, biotechnology, and cancer research. Dr. Kaisar Jameel graduated and postgraduated from Osmania University and earned her PhD from the same university, conducting her doctoral research at the prestigious CSIR IICT labs. She further honed her expertise with postdoctoral research at the University of Sydney, Australia, and as a visiting scientist at the University of Paris, France. Her career trajectory has since been remarkable, establishing her as a renowned scientist. Dr. Jameel is a fellow of several esteemed organizations, including what all I have read before: FEMSI, FZSI, FIAPCD, FNESA, FISBT, and FWAMS, and is a life member of numerous global academies and societies. Her contributions have been recognized with numerous national and international awards and honors, and she is frequently invited to present her groundbreaking work at the conferences around the world. With 45 years of research experience, Dr. Jameel has established multidisciplinary research in biology, expanding into innovative areas of R&D. Following her retirement from IICT, she was honored as an emeritus scientist by CSIR New Delhi, allowing her to continue her research at Bhagwan Mahavir Medical Research Center at the head of genetics department. Here, she established the cytogenetics and genetic toxicology lab, successfully completing projects from CSIR, DBT, and in-house initiatives. Ma'am's research interest encompasses biotechnology, cancer biology, and biomarkers for various cancers. She has guided 45 PhD scholars so far and authored around 300 publications, garnering around 6,500 citations as seen in the Google Scholar and Research Gate. An inventor of several patents, Dr. Jameel discovered the polymorphic nature of genes that impact cancer therapeutics. Her pioneering work in pharmacogenomics, particularly drug-gene interactions in cancers like breast cancer, head and neck cancer, and leukemias, earned her the Modern Medicare Award in 2008. In 2012, she received the Distinguished Scientist Award from Pentagon Research for her contributions to bioinformatics, and in 2013 she was honored with the Fellow of Electron Microscopy Award by EMSI. Dr. Jameel has held notable positions such as Research Director at Indo-American Cancer Research Institute and Research Center from 2006 to 8. Currently at Mahavir Hospital and Research Center, she leads projects on diabetics, cardiovascular disease, and cancer biology, aiming to discover biomarkers and genetic risk factors. She serves on the editorial boards of several Indian and international journals and is the president of Asian Council of Science Editors, ACSE, academic editor of Hindawi Journal of Cancer and editor-in-chief of the Asian Journal of Scientific Research. Her extensive work is well documented on the platforms like ResearchGate, LiveDNA, LinkedIn, and Google Scholar. Dr. Jamil's contributions have also been recognized by Government of India. She has served on task forces and advisory committees for the Department of Biotechnology, that is DBT, and Union Public Service Commission, as well as DNES New Delhi. In addition to her academic and research achievements, Dr. Jamil has collaborated with various industries and institutions as consultant and guest faculty. She was the first Indian woman to serve as president of Organization of Women in Science for the Developing World, uniting women scientists from 102 countries and promoting regional and local events and skill building activities. She continues to serve as chair of Indian National Chapter of OWST and is a life member of IWSA. Passionate about gender issues, she actively promotes girl-child education and motivates women to pursue scientific careers, helping young students develop their scientific aptitude and skills. Dr. Jamil's passion for her work is encapsulated in her vision. Human Dimensions, a vision for sharing, learning and transforming. Ma'am, again I feel honored to have introduced you today, and it is I think it is one of the very small honors which you would have got among what you have got throughout your life. We are indebted and we are very happy to receive you at Life HR.